Renaming open files in Sublime Text 2. I am trying to rename open files in Sublime Text 2. In version 2.0.1 build 2217, you could rename by pressing F2 or by opening the command palette by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus P and entering rename. However, in the latest version of Sublime Text 2, which is 2.0.2 build 2221, when you try to do the same thing, nothing happens. I have also entered the following command in the user's key binding file, but again, nothing happens. Keys F2, command, rename underscore path, args paths. This happens on both Windows and Linux. I have tried this on a fresh copy of Sublime Text 2 with no plugins.
Copy to your user key map. Create directory/file in your packages folder. Packages/rename file/rename underscore files for.
Reference this URL. Another simple way to set up a keyboard shortcut for renaming files. Install sidebar enhancements and set up the shortcut in key bindings, user. Keys column, your shortcut combination, command column side underscore bar underscore move.
Here is a package for Sublime Text 3. This URL.
If you want to